Every complete sentence contains two parts, a subject and a predicate. Subject and predicates are the two parts of a sentence. The subject tells who or what the sentence is about. The predicate tells what the subject does or is. The subject is the doer of the action. The predicate is the action itself. A subject has a noun or a pronoun. The predicate always has a verb. Remember, when you ask who or what to the verb in the sentence, you get the subject of the sentence. Let us now pick out the subject and the predicate from a few sentences. Eliza eats ice cream for dessert. Here, the verb is eats. When we ask who eats, we get the answer Eliza. So, Eliza is the subject and the rest of the part is predicate. Take one more example. Mike and George played in the mud. Here, the verb is played. When we ask who played, we get the answer Mike and George. So, Mike and George is the subject and the rest of the part is predicate. Sometimes finding the subjects can be a bit tricky. You know why? Subjects changes place when we make a question. In these two sentences, the subject she changes its place when a question is asked. The subject can come after the predicate. For example, orange is my favorite color. My favorite color is orange. Subject may be missing in imperative sentences. For example, put the flowers in the vase. Now here, the verb is put. If I question, who put the flowers in the vase? Do you have any answer? No, because there is no such subject mentioned here. We only have the nouns flowers and vase, but none of them are performing the verb put. So, does that mean that this sentence actually does not have a subject? No, it's not the case. Well, this sentence is actually a command. So, in cases of command and advice, we often tend to omit the subject. So, this can actually be like, you put the flowers in the vase. So, if I say, you put the flowers in the vase, then do we have the subject? Yes. Who put the flowers? The answer will be you. Therefore, in imperative sentences, the subject you is implied.